So, how many types of sampling techniques yesterday we discussed? Please tell me, someone, please. Anyone, everyone also. Because this is very important. In future, actually, what happens, we will forget it. But in interview, such type of questions also can be asked. Okay. So, simple random sampling, that is very easy. Random sampling means randomly we can select persons. And then stratified sampling. What is a stratified sampling? Non-overlapping. Here the word you have to keep. Sorry guys, I want to do not disturb my own. Okay, so a stratified sampling means non-overlapping. Non-overlapping. This word is very important. Non-overlapping groups we have to make it. From the non-overlapping groups, again, we have to take the sampling. Any type of sampling. And what about systematic sampling? Systematic sampling means every nth person, every second person or every fourth person, please. Hi. You are coming today itself, right? Okay, okay. Right, anyhow, just 2 sessions are completed, only demonstration is completed. But even today also very basics of statistics I am explaining. Okay, right. So the systematic sampling, every nth person, every second or every fourth, based on the population, based on the size of population, which person, nth means that n equal to 10 we have to take or 4 we have to take, we need to decide. If the 40 persons are there here, so I want to take a sample of 10 people, then what to do? Just a fourth person. If we want to take only 5 persons as a sample, so just eighth person, every eighth person will be the sample, our sample. So that is systematic sampling. And convenient sampling, it is also very important. Convenient sampling. What is a convenient sampling? Whoever knows the subject. Subject means I want to take a survey on data science future. What is the future of data science? If I go and ask a person who is doing agriculture, what do you think regarding data science? If I ask, how it will be there? No meaning at all. So convenient sample means whoever knows the things, such type of people who have to select, right? Regarding the doctors or medication, we have to go and ask the questions from doctors only, not from the layman's, right? So that is a convenient sampling. But anyhow, what we have decided, what we discussed yesterday means 2 to 3 types of mixed of sampling techniques we have to use while taking the sample, while taking the sampling, collection of sampling, so that we can take accurate value in sampling. Okay, variables. What is a variable? It is a very simple word. Whatever the subject you are learning, variables is very common. Variable is a property that can be taken on any value. A variable is a property that can be taken on any value. Property. A person is having a one property, right? Woman or man, that is his property, a person. So any property. Height also one property. Weight also one property. So that can be taken on any value. That is the variable. Variable is nothing but if you have taken the tabular form of data, each and every column is one variable. Serial number, after that ID, person name of the person, that is also one variable. Age of the person, height of the person, weight of the person, each and every column is one variable, just to keep in mind. Don't think, of course, the definition is different, but every column is one variable. That's it. Right? Every row is a one record. Every row is called a one record. Okay. Based on the serial numbers, if there are 20 serial numbers are there, up to 20 is there, 20 records are there. With how many variables? Just to have to count the columns, number of columns. That's it. Okay. So height is one variable, weight is one variable, educational qualification also one variable, profession, it is also one variable. These are very simple things. Also, you can understand very easily. We need so ratio data. This is the frequency distribution. From here onwards, please. Yeah, frequency distribution. This is very much important. But in 8th standard, I think we done this frequency distribution. How to do the frequency distribution? Do you have any idea about it? Huh? Everyone knows this. Okay. Thank you. Because I need not to explain too much. Okay. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the scores given. But with help of this, we need to draw a curves in future. The data total, how it is distributed again and again, bell-shaped curve, is it bell-shaped curve or is it skewed data? By seeing itself, we can say, we have to say that what type of data it is there. Okay. Of course, as it is a very small data, we can see, but if it is a very huge data, what to do? We have to draw the curve, then only we can find. Okay. Right. These are the marks. Okay. 42, 22, like that, up to 51 marks are there, but there is no order because 55 is here, 51 is here. There is no ascending order or descending order. I did not kept it all. But how to do? Because this is called as a class interval. 10 to 20, how many people are there? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. This is for each and every five persons. We have to keep as a group. 4 lines like this and 1 cross line, right? So that how many people are there in between 10 to 20? 8 people, right? 20 to 30, 10 people. 30 to 40, again 8 people. 40 to 50, 8 people. 50 to 60, only 6 people are there. Is the marks are distributed perfectly? Perfect means, is it bell-shaped curve will come or not? Anyone just guess it by looking at the data. Is it forming any shape of the curve? Let us draw. Okay, no issue. But this cumulative frequency, what is the cumulative frequency and frequency? This is a class interval. In the class interval, what happens? This is 8. Whatever the frequency is there in first frequency, it will be there. And after that, 8 plus 10, this 20 to 30, whatever it is there, 8 plus 10, it comes to 18. Cumulative. Okay. In any chits also, that cumulative will be there. In finance companies, whatever we are paying as of now. Yeah, please. What is the purpose of this cumulative frequency? Means up to 10 to 20, how many people are there? We can see here. This is 8 only. But up to 30, from 20 to 30, it is 10. But up to 30, from 0 to 30, how many people are there? By seeing here, this is 18. We can say simply, right? This is the cumulative frequency. Again, this 18 can be added to the 8, 26, 34, and 40. This is called as a cumulative. Cumulation is happening every frequency. Okay, every column. This is a cumulative frequency. We can try to draw. Just today, a stylus I did not bring, or else we can do here. 8, 10, 8, 8, 6. Code also we can use, right? This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. On x-axis, 0, it is 10, it is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, up to 60 only there or not? 50 to 60 is maximum, right? Right. Okay. So this is the y-axis. Again, it is a 10. It is 20. But these many people are not there anyhow. 8 or 10 is maximum, I think. So we need not to go further. Okay. 10 to 28 people. So it comes below 10, right? Means here 10 to 20. In between 10 to 20, this is the point will come. Or else we can draw like this. 10 to 28 people. 20 to 30, 10 people. 30 to 40 again. Again 8. Yeah, please. Again 8 and 6. 8 and 6 is less than 8, right? It is very less. Almost here it may come. Okay. So these are the steps. What is this? This is a histogram, right? Okay. So if I draw all the dots, just it comes to here. Again, it is here only. Just simply it is coming. It is forming a small line. But is it exact bell-shaped curve? No. Bell-shaped curve means in between, lot of data has to be there. Coming to both the sides has to come less data. That is called as a, it is in Gaussian distribution. Okay. Directly, I am not jumping into the Gaussian distribution. Anyhow, I am going to explain a lot of things we need to understand before that. But how this curve is showing now, it is not at all distribution is good. See here up to 8, 10, just 10, here only 1 8, here 2 8s and 6. Bell-shaped curve is not there. So we have to make the data to the bell-shaped curve to apply the machine learning algorithms. For that purpose, lot of things need to be done. Z-scores we have to take, and by taking the Z-scores, standardizations, we need to make the data first to the bell-shaped curve. That is the main thing before applying the machine learning algorithm. So that statistics are very important. Without showing this thing directly, if I go and this is the Gaussian curve, this is that curve, this curve, you won't get understand. That's what actually I am explaining very basics. These are 8th standard and also 10th standard. No issue, no problem. We can learn from scratch. Okay. So up to this. So in future, if the curve means how the curve is happened, in what basis the curve is happened, you should not get any confusion. This is very much important. Directly in future, we can draw the curve. By seeing the curve, you have to say, yes, data distribution is more here, here it is less. Like that, you have to understand. This is the curve. Okay, right? Everyone understood, right? We can go.